To set time and date on your Casio watch, press the lower left button to go on alarm, stopwatch, and come back to the main page. But when you come back to the main page, as you can see, the second is now blinking. If you want to change that data or actually reset the second, you can press on the right button. You see, every time you press on it, it comes back to 0. Now, if you want to change of data, you can press the upper left button. Now it's the hour that are blinking, and every time I press on that button, it changed the hour. I can press it again on the upper left button, and now I can change the minute. If I press it again, I can change the month. So April, May, June, July. Press it again, you can change the day of the month. Press it again, you can change the day of the week. Press it again, we come back to the main page, and now again, if I press here, I reset the second. And now if you want to go out of that mode, you press on the lower left button, and that's it. Now, if you want to change between 24-hour mode and AM, PM, that's the lower right button. Just switch between those two, but that's always like that. So that's it. I hope this was helpful.